Hey everyone. Welcome back to AI Crusaders, where we simplify tech and make AI tools easy for you. In today's video, we're diving into Kling AI, an incredible tool for creating perfect lip sync animations. Here are some examples, let's check them out.
Now my mysterious stories come alive, thanks to Kling AI's spot-on lip syncing.
Stand your ground, warriors. Victory belongs to those who fight with honor.
Kling AI ensures every word aligns perfectly, no more awkward pauses in presentation.
Every journey has a story, and this bus ride is just another chapter in mine.
Alright. Whether you're working on animated characters, YouTube videos, or creative storytelling, this tutorial will show you step by step how to master lip syncing in Kling AI. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get started. First things first, open up Kling AI and log into your account. If you don't have one, it's super simple to sign up, just head to their website and create an account. Once you're in, go to the project dashboard and here it is. Here, you can check out the amazing creations made with Kling AI. You can download these creations and use them in various content for yourself. But today, our focus is on lip syncing. So, let's dive right in. First, click on AI videos. Now, select lip sync. Kling AI offers three options: text to video, image to video, and lip sync. I've already uploaded videos covering the first two options, check out the links in the description below. For now, let's focus on lip syncing. Click here to upload or drop the video you want to sync with audio. Next, enter the text you'd like synced to the video and select a voice from the available options. You can even filter the voices by gender or age. If you'd like, you can adjust the speed ratio of the voice too. Since I already have a voiceover ready, I'll upload it right here. Once uploaded, Kling AI will notify us that the selected video is 3 seconds long, so we'll need to crop the audio accordingly. After cropping, click on the Confirm Cropping button to proceed. Now that everything is set, click on the Generate button. This process might take a moment, so sit tight. And here we have the final result, your perfectly synced video. Hey there, creators! Welcome back to AI Crusaders, your ultimate hub for all things AI. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching.